Hi, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to try and restore this badge. I've already polished the chrome and it looks quite nice. It's a little bit of pitting, but that doesn't really bother me. But the paint in the background has faded quite a lot and it has started peeling. So I would like to paint the background black again. And I have a few ideas on how to do it. I'm going to try a couple and we'll see how it works. So first off, I'll start by sanding the black part a little bit using this. It's like a cleaning pen for cleaning electrical contacts. It's got a little bit of fiberglass hairs on the top, so I can lightly scuff it with a little bit of precision, so that if I'm going to paint it, at least it'll stick a little bit. So now it's a little bit sanded, it's not much, but at least some of it will help. Now clean it a little bit. I have some small brushes to paint it by hand, but this is plan B. I'd like to use this. This is a syringe and quite a big gauge. Now I have a little bit of acrylic paint in black that I'd like to use for this. So I've already tested a little piece. It works quite well. So now there's black paint in the syringe and I can carefully use this to paint the backdrop. Because the letters are raised, it shouldn't be that difficult not to paint the letters themselves. So now we're going to leave this like this. The paint will hopefully level and dry, and I think we have a badge that looks almost brand new. So I don't have to use the brushes. This method is perfect. If anyone wants to try this, I highly recommend it. It couldn't be easier.